Here, the bottles are filled with our signature amber tea and precisely capped, ready for distribution. Bottles continue from the molding area, entering the sophisticated Ki King filling and capping machine zone for preparation. Running at 75% capacity. Feel the rhythm of the line, keeping everything aligned. Precision sterilization guaranteed quality as the bottles move swiftly down the line. Once labeled with the vibrant fruit imagery, the bottles move swiftly to the final quality check. From precise labeling to automatic packing, our Papix fruit drinks are sealed and ready. Efficient workflow ensures products move smoothly from the line. This facility represents the future of industrial efficiency. Our KII water treatment system